Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to unbox Sony WI-C200. And guys, this is a Bluetooth wireless headset, and it has a playback time of 15 hours. And guys, this wireless headset supports fast charging. If you're going to charge it for 10 minutes, then you can use this headset for 1 hour. And the maximum playback time of this headset is 15 hours, like mentioned here on the box. And guys, trust me, if they are going to mention it on this box, it is going to work, because on the previous headset which I have, like here, Sony WI-C400, and the playback time mentioned for this headset is 20 hours, and really I'm getting 20 hours on this headset, guys. So I also believe this headset gets 15 hours, and it also comes with a 1-year warranty, which is mentioned on the box. As for these type of Sony headsets, to claim the warranty, you should keep this box safely. Only if you are having this box, then you can claim the warranty for the headset, because the serial number is mentioned on the box. So please don't throw this box or tear it. Please just keep it. It will help you in the future if you are going to face any problems, so that you can claim warranty on this product. And guys, this headset comes with a Bluetooth 5.0, and the charging time approximately is 3 hours, guys. They have also mentioned it on the box itself. And guys, this headset only weighs 19 grams, so that you guys can also use this headset while you're jogging or workout sessions. With this headset, you get 3 pair of earbuds, like small, medium and large sizes. Whichever fits your ear, you can just swap it. The headset comes with a USB-C type charging. That is how it gets the fast charging. And a USB-A to C type cable is included with this headset, and no adapters are given for the headset to charge. Okay guys, now let's unbox it and see how it looks and how it performs. And here comes the headset, guys. It is well packed on a plastic cover here. Okay, let's take out the headset. See, this is the headset, guys. I think the wire length is approximately, it will be like 50 centimeters, 50 to 60 centimeters, guys. See, it has a magnetic tips, as I said earlier. It is already sticking. There is a Sony branding on both sides of this headset, guys. Yes guys, this is the headset, and let's see what else we get in the box. And here comes the extra silicone ear tips, guys. I think these are color coded. The one which already on the headset is like medium, and the color inside this ear tip is like green, and the other two are like, one is orange, I think small is orange. Okay, let's see what the color. Yeah, this is the large one. This is colored as light blue, large ear tips, and the small ones are like orange, light orange, as you guys can see. Whichever fits your ears, you can just swap it. Okay, and here is the charging cable, guys. As I said, USB-A to C. It will be like only 10 to 15 or 20 centimeters long, and we get some documentation as always with all the products. Okay, let's keep it aside, which we don't need it. Let's make sure you please don't throw this box, because for warranty you need this box. Okay, now let's power it on. Quality of the headset, guys, because I don't think that these wires are like too tough. If you're going to use it very ruggedly, it is going to break, because these are like soft wire. I really don't know about the life of these wires, guys, but the headset feels solid. And guys, this is not a waterproof, so please don't use this headset on the rain. As you guys can see, this where the Sony brand logo has, this one contains the battery, and the other thing contains the control buttons and the charging port. Guys, I think the buttons are too small. Like when you're wearing while riding or riding your bike or something, you will not be able to access these buttons too easily, because these are too narrow. It is tough to click. I think it will be tough to click. Only you can click it with the nails. I think Sony could have made it better, because it is too tough to click the buttons because it is too small. You can see here a plus button, a power on off button in the middle, and the minus button to volume down, and this is a volume up guys, the plus button. Also this volume up button acts as a skip track forward button, and the minus button, volume down button, acts as a skip backward button guys. And the center button is used to attend calls and reject calls, and the microphone is on the back side of this guys. And guys, the charging port is here. Like, you have to open this like this to expose the charging port. See, as you guys can see, it has a USB-C type charging. Okay guys, now let's power it on and check how the headset sounds. Okay, let me power it on guys. Just press and hold the power button, and this, which is a center button here. To put this headset on the pairing mode, just press and hold this power button for 6 to 8 seconds guys, to make this headset on the, to put this headset on the pairing mode, where you can see the small LED blinker here. Now I have powered it on guys. It has a blue color LED light here which blinks 2 times when you have it on a pairing mode. I hope you guys can see it. See, it has a blue LED guys. Once you power it on and you put it on a pairing mode, it blinks like this. Let's first search for this headset and connect it. Let's just go to your phone settings, Bluetooth settings, and search for the headset. You guys can see a name of this headset as WIC200, which is a model number of this headset. Just click on it, it will automatically gets connected. Yes, once the headset is connected, you can just see the blue light blinking will stop for 2 or 3 seconds. It only blinks once it is connected. See. Okay, now let's test it out. This is a left side. The controls section comes on the left side guys, and the battery section goes on the right. So this is how it looks. Okay, let's test it out. Let me play some good songs. Okay guys, the music is clear. I don't think the bass is too high. The bass is medium on this headset. Yeah, also the vocals are like the voice, there is a clarity on this voice guys. It's really, for this price point, it is also too loud. Increase the volume fully, man, it's blast. It's too loud on your ears. You will not be able to hear your surroundings, which is always dangerous. When I have a volume on the 50%, it really feels good. Also, you guys can hear some of, also with 50%, I think I will not be able to hear the surroundings. Since I am in a closed room now, I am not able to hear anything, only the music. If you're going to go on roads, use this on roads, I think then you will be able to hear something, some outside noise. Guys, this headset doesn't have a specific noise cancellation. It's just as a noise suppression, which is not a feature. Because of this ear tips, you will get that's not noise suppression guys, but it feels good. For this price point guys, I bought this headset for like 1900 Indian rupee, and really it performs well. The bass is not too high, the bass is like medium, but the sound clarity, the music and the voice clarity is good guys. As I said previously, this headset has an magnetic ear tips. This doesn't have any functionality guys, like OnePlus headset, which pauses and plays again the song. When you stick it together, it passes the song, and when you remove it, it plays the song again. It doesn't, this headset doesn't have any features like that. It's just a magnet, it sticks the ear tips. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button down below, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please comment down below on the comment box. I will definitely read that comments and reply to you guys. And please don't forget to subscribe for the channel for more videos guys. Bye, see you again.